Hello everyone, join me back at the M3. Today I'd like to take everything out of the car and go through what all is or is not broken. And yeah, I'm going to take you guys along and we're going to go through the entire thing. I guess it locked itself. There's some stuff in the back, just a little bit. This was an under tray. This used to be a fender liner. I don't know. Floor mat. Maybe let's put that inside. I mean, this is just a masterpiece. Nice. No way! It is with the car. I thought I had to buy one of these, but it's the gas cap cover. Front windscreen trim. Quickly show you what I've been up to today. I cleaned the wheels real quick just because clean wheels, and yeah, it's nice to have clean wheels. Hoovered the interior so it looks a little bit nicer. We'll need to clean the pedals with. Clean the seats. Cleaned L shift knob because dirty. Also put all the floor mats back and hoovered them and everything. I still have yet to figure out how to open that door. So if anybody knows how to open one of those doors, because I can't figure it out. Nice bit of damage there from somebody taking things apart that shouldn't be taken apart, but sure. Got the trunk all cleared out. Yeah, the battery's not overly happy, but kind of makes sense. It's sat for 3 months. Just gave it a quick rinse down just so that it looks a little bit nicer. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'm just going to keep working away and doing stuff to the M3. See you later.